Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new fully automatic espresso machine KF3 with iced coffee. Keeping your KitchenAid espresso machine clean is fast and easy. At the end of each day, pull out the drip tray and the grounds container. Empty both, then rinse them under warm water. Dry and return them to the machine. If you made milk drinks today, rinse the milk system too. When prompted, select Easy Milk Rinsing. Place one end of the milk hose in the drip tray and press start. The system automatically flushes clean. No mess, no fuss. Your machine reminds you when it's time to clean, so you'll never have to guess. Tap the cleaning menu icon on your display to start. Here you'll find all your cleaning programs, like descaling, brew unit cleaning, and milk system rinsing. It's time to descale. The machine guides you step by step. Start by emptying and rinsing the drip tray and grounds container. Empty the tank and remove the filter if you're using one. Fill the tank to the half-liter mark with water. Use a KitchenAid descaling tablet. Drop one into the water tank and let it dissolve completely. Put the tank back and grab a large container. On the display, select Descale and press Start. The machine runs the descaling cycle automatically. Don't interrupt it, just let it finish. When prompted, empty and rinse the tank. Refill it with fresh water and run the rinse cycle. When your machine prompts you, it's time to clean the brew unit. Start by emptying and rinsing your drip tray. Fill your water tank all the way up. Put a container under the dispenser. The machine will rinse the system first. Just follow the prompts. When prompted, open the service door and remove the brew unit. Give it a quick rinse under cold water. Dry it off. Now grab one of those cleaning tablets. Drop the tablet right here in the brew unit. Slide it back in place and lock it. The machine flushes the tablet through to help remove coffee oils and buildup. When the icon turns off, your cleaning is complete. When the machine alerts you to replace the water filter, it's easy to do. Take out the water tank and twist out the used filter. Insert a new KitchenAid water filter and twist to lock. Fill the tank to the max line, reinstall it, and the machine will automatically start a quick filter rinse. Once the rinse finishes, you're ready to brew again. If you won't use your machine for a while, like before vacation, run the evaporate function to remove water from the system. The machine uses heat to dry internal components and prevent standing water. When the icons go out, your machine's ready for storage. Every maintenance task, whether it's descaling, milk rinse, or cleaning, is guided right on the display. The machine tells you what to do and when to do it, so you can relax and enjoy the coffee.